Well, we could see a couple showers return Friday and Saturday across the valley. Not looking for widespread rain or even that much rain. Probably almost all of you watching will stay dry most of the time, but just maybe some sprinkles or a light rain shower could pop up if the clouds thicken up at times. So not much rain in the forecast. Again, most areas dry. As we get towards Sunday and Monday, the breezy and warmer conditions return. I imagine most of the valley will be back in the 80s on Sunday. Monday could be a day when we may see parts of the valley be around 90 in the afternoon. So a little warm up again, but then cooler weather should arrive by the middle of next week. Temperatures now are warm for this Thanksgiving. We're at 84 in Weslaco, 80 in Brownsville, 77 the cooler spot at the island, and still 87 in Rio Grande City. And it will be a pretty warm evening out there. Temperatures kind of just falling through the 70s during the evening with what initially should be mainly a mostly clear to partly cloudy sky. But I think as we get temperatures down closer to 70 by 11 p.m. or midnight, the clouds could start to thicken again. And there might even be some patchy areas of fog again late tonight like we saw this morning. So late tonight, say especially after about 3 in the morning towards sunrise tomorrow, maybe some fog to deal with in spots of South Texas and the valley. Satellite radar pretty quiet now. A couple showers offshore. This is kind of the boundary, the dying boundary from that cold front, the very weak one that rolled in here yesterday, but had very little effect on our weather. It's kind of just sitting out here fading away, but the showers lifting north right now. You look at future track, it does show this evening just mainly partly cloudy skies around. A couple of showers mainly stay offshore through about midnight. Clouds thicken up tonight, and again, there may be some low clouds and fog in here through tomorrow morning. And then I think during the day, maybe not quite as sunny as today, but kind of a partly to sometimes mostly cloudy sky. But I think there will be enough moisture around that if the clouds are able to build up a little bit, you could get some sprinkles or a light rain shower just briefly here and there tomorrow. So kind of watch the skies in the afternoon. You know, it might be one of those situations where you might get rained on for 10 minutes or something like that. But most of the time, kind of just partly sunny out there. Tomorrow night, still a small threat for a shower around. And even Saturday, if you have plans to be up early, hit the stores another day, either Friday or head out on Saturday. I think Saturday's the day when it may cloud over more. So Saturday, you may not see as much of good old Mr. Sunshine, but with the clouds around, the sprinkle or a light rain shower still possible. But again, very, very little rain should actually fall from the clouds. Sunday, after some clouds initially, I think the sun will start to break through pretty quickly by midday. Showers should stay away on Sunday, but temperatures should be going up again. So rain chances 20% tomorrow and 20% on Saturday, probably down to dry on Sunday unless there's a little sprinkle near sunrise. But I think we're back into the dry stuff and warmer stuff on Sunday. And in terms of rainfall amounts, you see this is Future Track what it says through Friday afternoon and evening, showing most areas of the valley getting 0 or close to 0 in terms of rain, maybe a few hundredths or a tenth of an inch of rain. But your first 1570 forecast, talk more about this coming up. We do have a cold front next week that should finally drop temperatures again, but in between now and then, a couple upward and downward temperature swings. We'll be back around 83 tomorrow, 78 on Saturday, 86 on Sunday, and then might even hit 90 on Monday. That's ahead of a front coming in. The model's kind of debating whether the front actually gets here maybe Tuesday or early Wednesday, but at some point during that time, later Tuesday or early Wednesday, temperatures should begin to drop again. So by next Wednesday and Thursday, we push the hot air, warm air aside and back into more fall-like temperatures with highs maybe in the upper 60s and 70s again.
Well, honestly, I got to get through the weekend. I'm looking forward to those cooler temps.
Yeah, you have to wait a few days, but you know, Black Friday shopping tomorrow should be another kind of warm, humid start to the day.